Hello and welcome, one and all. We're here at the Sydney Cricket Ground. You join us for this 2020 match between Rangpur and the Hobart Hurricanes. I'm Adam Gilchrist, and with me for this exciting
Interesting call to bat first. Looking at the pitch, it seems a strange...
So here we go, the players make their way out to a seismic crowd. They've waited all day for this match and they're ready for some world-class batting and bowling. The pitch today, it looks good. A bit of grass on top, so they'll get their wish, I think. Okay, everything looks set to get this match underway. The new ball will get some movement and the openers are going to have to be wary of that. Nice shot, but straight to gully. Oh, wow, that is out of here. That could be out of the ground.
Helped on its way, really. Pivoted onto the back foot and lofted it all the way. Shot making to start things off.
Swept away, but finds the fielder. Cut away, and that's a great catch at point. What a catch. And gone. That's a fantastic catch.
Well, was that a lazy shot or a good piece of bowling?
For that wicket, the new batter comes. No. Crack. Head was completely still and Mayers, stand and deliver. Holds the post. That is huge, enormous, massive. Now the batter's onto the front foot. Super shot, should be four.
It just looks so easy. Gets onto the front foot and...
Straight through them. That was a lesson in leg spin. Straight through them. That was a lesson in leg spin bowling.
As they head back to the pavilion, they'll be...
And out. Oh, how did he get to that one? And that's gone. Amazing catch.
Still solid work.
Coming. They've gone up here. Look to have pitch in line and hitting live. We'll see what Big Eye shows in the review.
I'm not hearing anything on this. This could be trouble. Oh, this could spell not what you expect from...
Straight call by the umpire, though. Finds it. Whacked away.
That was a lovely shot.
That's high. Is there enough on it? There is. Add that Max Smith, the pace bowler coming into the attack. Power and precision in that shot.
That was a boundary the moment the ball left the bat. Can't...
The right armour is coming on to bowl from the Randwick end. Winds up but misses. Nabi, too crafty, and that's the end of that.
This innings just cut short before it really flourished, but not to be.
And with that, that's going a long way. What a crack. Head was complete.
But no need to move.
Crack. It's another massive maximum. Two. Great shot. It was a good length to try that, and they did that with Mac for 5. Fabian, the left-arm orthodox bowler, is coming into the attack from the Paddington end. Timed that perfectly.
Clipped way off the pads. What a shot for 4.
I'd like to see them just... Head over the ball. Great shot. That's racing away.
You just can't hit it any better than that. Beautiful.
Simply in the air, and that's a straightforward catch to mid-off.
That was a...
Too straight. It's just been pelted on its way for a... They go up here, but it might have pitched a bit short. We'll have to wait and see what the umpire says.
They find themselves 7 wickets down. It's about...
And what a strike that is, right into the slot. Great timing and balance. It'll be a max. Brilliant shot. That's one for the crowd. Onto that early. That could be 4. That looks gone. That's out.
The 8th wicket to fall. The opening.
Over the infield with a cracking shot.
Well, that was timed.
Oh, my word, that is huge. Middle, that's a monster of a shot. Oh, that's beautifully struck. Right out of the guts and all the way.
Just missed the line. Not the worst delivery.
154 for 9. The right-arm medium bowler is coming into the attack from the Randwick end. Was quick onto that in the infield. Shamsi, stand and deliver. Holds the post.
Accurately with a straight bat.
That's gone. Couldn't ask for an easier catch. Really good innings comes to an end. That's going to be a tough total to chase. Someone's going to need to step up with a big score. Unforgettable total. They just need to get off to a good start and not give anything silly away. It's the silly stuff that could give the bowlers a sniff in this match.
Ahmed coming in.
That'll be a dead ball. Perfectly timed.
You can't fault the bowling. Sometimes your opponent is just...
Just missed the line. Not the worst delivery.
Right-arm medium bowler is coming on to bowl from the Randwick end. Great shot. Gets a hold of that and places it through. Oh, whack. Pick the bones out of that. It's gone for a maximum. Glanced away nicely, but fine short, fine leg. Bold, stunning delivery.
That was a blistering knock right on top. That's a great win. It really did feel that the first innings display had put enough runs on the board and they've been able to defend it. Great bowling.
What a match we've just witnessed, right down to the wire. And the small